The Polygon allows you to import Illustrator files, and when you drag it up into your scene, you do not see anything. But when you click on the Polygon icon to go into the Polygon properties, you do have an import button up here. So if you click on that import button, navigate to a folder that has a .ai file or Illustrator file. You can click on that file and then open it, and here is the Illustrator file. So basically we just had an Apple logo, and you can see that when we brought it in, how it brings it in here. Now ideally within Illustrator you would have smoothed this out by adding some more points along this edge to make it a little bit smoother, but essentially we brought in a low point Illustrator file here. Now once you have the Illustrator file, it'll work just like anything else. So if you wanted to add a material or some mapping to it, you could. This Polygon, we have a couple of options here. Number one, we have a rotate. Once you turn that on, it's going to allow you to rotate your logo here or your Illustrator file. So as you can see, when we rotate this here, what it's doing to our file. If the rotate is on, you have other options then. For instance, we have a revolve around, we have a local axis or a first to last. So if we change it to local axis, it will make our revolve axis active. And then we have an X and a Y setting here. So we can choose which way we want this to rotate or revolve by choosing the X or the Y. And you also have a direction under here, a right hand or a left hand. Depending which way you have it set, it will go the opposite of the other way. Now, depending what your logo is or what your Illustrator file is and how many points there are, it may be a little bit different for each one. For instance, we have a show hole here. If we turn that off, you can see how what happens to this logo. We also have a show caps. So again, depending what Illustrator file you import, it may react a little bit different. Now up top near the import, we also have a precision. And if I increase the precision here, you can see how that kind of adjusts the Illustrator file along the edges. So you can adjust the precision to slightly adjust the smoothness or roundness of your Illustrator files.